Good afternoon. Today is the second video of the food chemistry unit. And today we're making ceviche, which is a traditional South American dish where the proteins are denatured and retangled using acid, not heat. It will be cooked, so it's not raw. Traditionally, this is done with a white fish, and today we're using flounder. That's Flounder. That's Ellie.
Hi.
If you're gonna do this with frozen fish, you're gonna want to buy it frozen. That's actually safer than to use fresh fish because freezing it will kill the pathogens. However, when you thaw it, you're gonna thaw it under cold running water or in the fridge. Now, when you thaw it under cold running water, it'll be faster because of water's high specific heat of 4.18 joules per gram degree Celsius. The fish should be cut into smaller pieces, and cutting into small pieces ensures that you have a larger surface area to make this go faster. So like you learned previously, and like you learned in kinetics, having a larger surface area will increase the reaction rate. Pieces here are about 1 inch or about half an inch large, and then they're going to be sliced accordingly. In a bowl, I've got an onion and some garlic cut, and it's going to kind of keep it away from the edge of the bowl and allow some space to get in between the two. The reason onions make you cry is because the enzyme synthase and sulfoxide mix to make sulfonic acid. That becomes synpropanethiol S oxide, which makes your eyes hurt. There's a chipotle pepper in the middle, and if you get chipotle peppers with adobo sauce, the adobo sauce is also in there as well. So the fish goes into the bowl, and try to keep it away from the glass so that it will have some space behind it. The acid that I'm using today is a mixture of lime juice, which is traditional, lemon juice, and orange juice for some sweetness. I've added some adobo sauce to the liquid, and I've also added some salt. You're gonna pour just enough acid on top of it to coat and submerge all the fish. Yeah, use all of it. After that, I'm gonna add some cilantro to the top just to kind of keep it submerged. Oh, by the way, I remember to wash my hands before starting this video. And then what you're gonna do is cover it with saran wrap. Now the saran wrap is going to be used to keep it totally submerged and under liquid. Using that, you can press down the surface and actually get it to rest right on the liquid. That way there are no air bubbles between the two. Once it's all submerged, you're gonna put this in the oven for, the fridge for anywhere between 4 to 8 hours, or until it's opaque and it'll appear cooked. You're gonna drain it after 4 hours, you're gonna eat it the next day, otherwise it gets kind of sour. So make sure all the air is out from underneath it, make sure everything's submerged, and put this in the fridge for about 4 hours.